My teacher,
yes, I am your teacher. Yeah. Nowadays, I am teacher of Inaan. I am teacher of Amina, my sister. I am teacher of Enjoy. I am teacher of Mahanat. I am teacher of
all.
But no one pay me. No one give my salary. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Habibah Waxan.
Habibah Waxan.
Welcome.
Thank you, sister.
So Amina is with me first time on my channel.
First time?
No, before we are with team. Alone you are with me today. Yes.
It's wrong.
First time.
Yeah.
First time. First time.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please channel subscribe no Sara because 50k ban u dhownahay. هاي دوينا كفر حسان أنا يقرح مركب بلي سبسكرايب نوصار نوصي شير قرية دائما أنا ما أنتوتن لسوقبتي مركز توين شعل هاي إن والله موقال كان كسو يعني نشارك كسو موقضة لكن وحقا وقتي جوانا يسامحين قص حل الدنبي يرتمى دا أنا مركز سيب حايو إن جورجا هذا يوم مركز ساسن إسكوير دافنا لكن ما أنتها أنا جا كفر صدينا صو فريستي يوتيوب كا yes welcome.
Thank you, sister. Thank you so much. Yes.
Okay. waxaan rabaa su'aalo badan oo aad yani niyada aad ku haysaan. Taban istaan sax? Su'aalo badan oo niyada ku haysaan oo qalbiga ku haysaan baan rabaa inaan idin weydiiyo. Yadna insha Allah way idinka jawaabisaa. Marka Nana.
Yes.
Only one question.
Okay. Okay. Ask me two. Ask me two. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Would you like to marry Somali man?
Would I like to marry a Somali man?
Yeah.
No Somalis sit with me here. Yeah. What I say? If I say no, they beat me.
As a real, okay? As a real. Yes or no?
No.
Why?
Not Somali man. I don't want to marry.
You?
Yes.
Why? waxay tiri maan guursadeen bay tiri laakiin Soomaali ma aha aniga ana jeclayn ba inaan guursado marka waxaan weydiiyay reason-keena u guursanay why?
I am scared actually too much from men.
Okay.
Too much. Yes. That's why. The real reason is this. Because Aniga's father left me when she was 2 months.
2 months.
Still he no back. Never. Ever.
I'm so sorry.
So I am too much scared about men.
Okay. Our life, only you marry one?
Yes, one.
Okay. Aniga is father.
Yes, Aniga's father.
waxay tiri rag oo dhan ka soo horjeeda way soo xumeeyeen Aniga aabaheed bay tiri wuxuu iga tagay 2 bilood marka yaani ay jirtay imikana waa 8 years waa 8 sano wali ma soo laaban runtii wallahi xanuun weeyaan I'm so sorry idinkuna waa inaad comment-ka dhan soo ku soo qortaan aniga waxaan rabay inaan waxoogaa idin faaqo waxaan islahaa hal wiil oo Soomaaliya aguursado laakiin way ka xanaaqsan tahay. Okay, there are many people is watching.
Yes, watching me. YouTube. Yes, they love me too much.
What do you say?
Thank you. Yeah? You know, mashallah, I know I have all subscribers from Somalia. Yeah. Maybe 100, 200 from Pakistan.
Yeah.
But most of Somalia, and they love me too much. Aniga with me, and even I can't imagine that people love me too much.
Yeah.
Because really they love me too much.
Yes.
Sometimes they give me good prayers, good wishes. I love you, sister, and all give me respect. All say to me, sister.
Yeah. Yes. Also,
thank you.
Heart is nice.
Yes. all you know. Yes.
وإني كم هاد علنا سعد لما أنت وحلا رنتي صومالي دا أردن وده تسكرب استاكت إسشعل حتى هدتكو إسكده يعني هدتك كله يعني كأكان كوكله سبسكرايبتو صاران رنتي فحل نمذ يوناك يقلب صاف جنينا قد ما أنت ونلقي يقاني. Okay. Third question.
Okay.
Would you like to go Somalia?
Yes. Yes.
When?
Yes.
When?
When like this, even I want, and if someone take me like this.
Yeah. Waxaan weydiiyey Soomaaliya kolay luqada wada garanaysaan laakiin dadka qaar aan mid iyo laba ayaan
Before my wish, just
Soomaaliya ma imanaysaa baan weydiiyey.
one country in my like I want to go in my life. One country I wish, Maldives.
Maldives.
Yes, I like Maldives is a country.
Where is Africa or?
Even I don't know this.
Waxaan tiri Maldives halkaan tiri baan jeclahay halkaan tirina ma garanayo halka ku yaalo adduunka.
I like the beaches of Maldives. I show you.
Okay.
But now I want to go Somalia and Kenya.
Somalia, Kenya.
Kenya. Because my all friends is from Somalia and Kenya.
Somalia and Kenya.
Yes.
MashaAllah. When?
When Allah right. Even this I don't know, but I wish.
After 1 year, after 2 year, 3 year, on or future.
In future I try. If someone invite me, then I go when he invite me. If from my side, if I want to go, then maybe next year mid.
Inshallah.
Not now, like next year mid. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Somalia.
I'm coming.
Yes, me and Iman and you
And Muhammad.
and Muhammad, all
We
team
all
of
go.
enjoy.
Yes, inshallah.
We
go?
gonna go Somalia.
Yes, inshallah. One day we
Inshallah.
come. Yes.
Beaches.
Yes.
Um,
I know that Africa,
the
like
culture
that's-
of Somalia.
Yes.
Like
So
Hidiya
beautiful.
Dhaqan. Do you see the
Dress of Somalia.
dress of Somalia?
Yes. You know, yes, I saw.
Yeah.
Because where I'm staying, they are Somalis. So they show me their dress, their culture, everything, their marriage culture. Mine not like this.
Okay. It's a two different culture.
Yes.
But but it's a Muslims also.
Yes, all Muslims. Alhamdulillah. Yes.
And how can I go to Pakistan? Me.
You
How?
can
Yeah.
easily. Okay, now I want to ask you.
Waxa weydiiyay dad badan baa maskaxdooda waxay iska weydiinayaan inay tagaan Pakistan markaas systemka ay ku tagi lahaayeen baan jeclaa ani laftigayguna Pakistan tago waan jeclaa I like to go Pakistan, you know.
You must go.
Yeah,
Follow
yeah.
me.
Okay.
Okay, you must follow me. You can go easily. So Somalians can go easily. Yes.
Oh.
For study, for they say that we want
Many people
education.
stay
Yes,
here.
yes, yes.
That's good. Waxaan weydiiyay su'aalo badan oo
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
You want to marry a Pakistani boy?
Me?
Pakistani boy is very handsome.
Yes.
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 Not
yes.
handsome.
Yes.
Yes, handsome. My country boys.
Pakistan and Somalia is a strong brothers.
Yes, brother,
Yes.
sister, Muslims
Also,
also.
it's a Muslim.
Yes.
You know? Yes.
So you want?
Yeah.
So I try to search for you.
Search. How many days I wait you?
No waiting. When I call today night, how many people I know?
Pakistan ii soo raadinaysaa waxay igu tiri nin Pakistan mid guursan lahayd. Of course baan waa guursan lahayd because waa Muslim waa walaala la wada yahay.
But my country is so beautiful.
Your
Mashallah.
country. The capital of city
Islamabad.
Islamabad.
I am from Islamabad.
Okay. The capital. You live capital?
Yes.
Okay.
I miss even too much miss. My like 3 brother is here.
Here.
Yes, Malaysia.
Wow. Good. Su'aalo fiican baan weydiiyay. Midda kale waa teacheradayada macalimadayada waaye. You are my teacher, you
Yes,
know?
I am your teacher.
Yeah. Waa macalimadayda weeyaan Englishka intii naga qaldan oo dhan bay naga dhistaa. Yeah.
Nowadays, I am teacher of Inaan. I am teacher of Amino, my
Yeah.
sister. I am
Yeah.
teacher of Enjoy. I am teacher of Muhammad. I am teacher of.
All.
But no one pay me. No one give my salary.
Lacag ma siina bilaash ba noogu dhigtaa oo aan ku lacag aan ku siino laakiin waxay tiri no maadaama aan timinka ka mid ahay wax lacag oo idinka qaaday habeeraad ma jirto kaaliya faa'iideysta intaynan muuqaal idin soo duubin ay waxay sameeysaa Englishkana bartaa waan ugu mahad celinaa she is a free person she is a nice person.
Yes, she is a nice person. Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I enjoyed a lot with you. Today video is so good. Give us your feedback because
More likes?
Yes, more likes. You give us your feedback. We like
How many subscribers do you have now?
46.5 or 6 like. near 50, please, please.
Tonight,
I
50.
want. Yes, I
or
want.
49.
Yes, please. Yes, we want 50 we reach. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Bakhalkan
muuqaalka ku xiga intaan ku kulmayna waxaan ka tagayaa bashbash iyo barwaaqo iyo caafimaad iyo baraari. See you next video. Bye bye.